What's up, Pyros? It's your boy, Pyro Ronnie, and we back again with another episode of The Last Action Pyro. It's getting close to 4th of July, and so I decided to let you guys see this Top Gun Fireworks Pirate's Treasure Fountain. You guys gonna like this one. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Pyro.
What's up, Pyros? It's Pyro Ronnie, and right now we've got a pirate's treasure. So let's see what's buried underneath this pirate's treasure, shall we? Let's get it.
Let's get it. Let's get it, Daddy. Let's get it, baby. Oh.
Nice.